Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to bring to you a penny stock that I believe has the potential to pretty much triple if not quadruple in price. I mean, penny stocks, we all love penny stocks, and a couple of reasons why we all love penny stocks, they're very cheap. Alright, so everyone in the granny can get involved in penny stocks, buy up penny stocks. And two, this could be a little bit of a double-edged sword, but it's very volatile. So penny stocks, the price can go up times 10, can go down times 10, whatever, in a moment of a couple of days or even a day. So it's very volatile in nature. The reason I says it's a double-edged sword is it can either make you a lot of money or it can lose you a lot of money depending on how you play it. I mean, I have to be real with you guys on the risks of penny stocks, but nevertheless, penny stocks are a very good instrument to potentially double, triple your portfolio. So the penny stock I'm going to go through with you guys is Best Inc. So ticker symbols BEST. But before I get into today's video, make sure you guys subscribe and of course hit that notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up so I know this is the kind of content you like to see. With that being said, let's get this bread. So looking at the company overview, Best Inc. Best is a leading integrated smart supply chain and logistics solutions provider. Through its proprietary technology platform and extensive networks, Best offers a comprehensive set of logistics and value-add services, including express and freight delivery, supply chain management, business-to-store to customer supply chain and last-mile service, truckload capacity brokerage, international logistics, and financial services. Best's mission is to empower businesses to enrich life by leveraging technology and business model innovation to create a smarter, more efficient supply chain. So Best Inc., they're actually a Chinese company that specializes in delivery services, etc. for e-commerce businesses. And in today's world, a lot of e-commerce businesses are booming right now because there's a lot of demand for online shopping. So there's a lot of demand from the logistical point of view. So the fact that Best Inc. specializes in logistics, this is actually a very good thing for the company, which means that there's going to be a lot of demand for the services, which will ultimately make the company grow because they'll be getting a lot of demand, they'll be potentially getting a lot of revenue. And the second thing that makes Best Inc. in a very good position right now as a company and pretty much where they're located in the market is that they're a Chinese company. And China is one of the biggest exporters in goods and also goods providers. This is really good. This company is definitely one to watch for the rest of 2021 and in the future, because I believe that as a company it's going to grow a lot. The share price right now is penny stock level, but who knows, in the future, next 5 to 10 years, it might even be within the $50, $100 range. So one of the things that I look for and I believe is very important if you're looking to invest in the company, buy up the shares, etc., is that you need to understand pretty much how they're performing as a company. So looking at financial statements, so if there's any SEC filings, having a look at pretty much what analysts are saying about it, whether it's going to be a buy or sell or a hold, etc. So looking at Yahoo Finance, I usually check Yahoo Finance just as a quick summary, just to basically look on the surface to see what the company is doing, how they're doing financially, just a quick guide before I delve deeper if I need to. As you can see, the analyst rating right now, the recommendations from May to July is pretty much going from a strong buy, and there's a lot more analysts saying hold, etc. But there's not extra analysts saying that this is a sell, etc. Analysts, the overall consensus right now is still from a hold towards a buy. Another thing I like to look for is the financial statements, just to see how they've been performing as well. So looking at the annual and quarterly. So if we look at the annual, I mean, the revenue has been increasing. As you can see, the revenue has pretty much been going from 19 billion, 25 billion, etc. to more recently of 30 billion in 2020. However, the earnings from 2020 relative to 2019 has decreased, even though the company has been trading at a loss financially from Q3 all the way up to Q1 of 2021. This loss has been decreasing, so it's decreased from 633.5 million all the way down to 612.8 million. So technically speaking, the liabilities are getting lower, or they're running business a little bit better this time around, you know, from each quarter from Q2 2020 to Q1 of 2021. So as a business, they are doing marginally better, and you can see some improvement within the business. And I know I'm saying Best Inc. has potential to actually double, triple, quadruple, whatever, and you're looking at the financial statements and you're saying that, look, they're running at a loss. But a company running at a loss is actually very common for penny stocks. They're always going to be running at a loss, or mostly running at a loss. But if that loss is decreasing each time, it's effectively the same as seeing it as running on a profit, but each year the profit is getting more and more. So looking at the chart of Best Inc., and as you can see, the last couple of earnings have been red, so it's been negative. The earnings have been bad for the company, and pretty much the share price has been reflecting of this. As you can see, there's been a lot of red, there's been a lot of bearish activity in the market, so a lot of sell-offs in the market. But right now it looks like the market's actually making a recovery, and there's an upcoming earnings. So the fact that the market is making a recovery at the moment, on a technical note, this recovery is basically the price, the last close was above the 10-period moving average. This recovery could be in anticipation for possibly the next earnings being positive, or at least a lot better than the previous 3 earnings. So we'll wait and see. First of all, we'll wait and see what the earnings are going to do. And bearing in mind the fact that there's upcoming earnings, there's going to be a lot of volatility within this stock right now. So if you're looking to get in it, make sure you understand that there's going to be a lot of volatility, and make sure that you're prepared for it up here and in here. You're prepared to weather out that storm and look at that volatility, because it could potentially be a roller coaster ride for the good or the bad. But long term, I believe there's going to be a lot of potential in Best Inc. So the other technical signs that show that this price is potentially coming into a good recovery is looking at the RSI. So the RSI was oversold, and the RSI has recovered, and as you can see, there's been some RSI divergence, and as you can see, like I mentioned, the price is above the 10-period moving average. So on the momentum side of things, the momentum, or the near-term momentum, is looking to be bullish. If the price stays above the 10-period moving average, then you can see this price head back up towards this resistance, the resistance at $1.53. And other technical factors is looking at the MACD. As you can see, there's a golden cross emerging right now with this gap up above the 10-period moving average. So we'll wait to see if this golden cross establishes fully and actually stays and starts going towards the bullish side. So guys, I believe Best Inc. has good potential in the long run, but just bearing in mind that this is a penny stock, it's likely to be very volatile for the next couple of days, weeks, months, etc. But if you're getting involved in it, do some background research of your own, understand the risks involved in investing in penny stocks, and also understand the potential rewards involved in investing in penny stocks. And just remember, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just some guy on YouTube that believes Best Inc. has a lot of potential going forward. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys subscribe, and of course hit that notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up, and also comment below. Let me know your thoughts on Best Inc. Is it something you're looking to invest in? Is it something that you're already invested in? Comment below. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.